So I'm an animator. Okay, I'm an animator. Okay, I'm an animator, musician, music, let me put musician, actor, and a music and film director at Gary Films Production. Okay, so besides that, so we've put our little profile or bio that talks a little bit about us. Then besides that, we already have our password. We don't have to like change it. So at least do we have an image that we can basically maybe upload about Munye scripts? So since I'm already an artist, so I already have some music out there. So I'm going to be Googling and I download just an image. Okay. Just an image. Okay, maybe let me get this one. So this is one of my songs. So I want to get this image, but my internet is a little bit slow. So it depends basically on your internet. Because it is raining heavily. So as we wait for the image to show up here, so it is going to be showing up here. Let us wait for it to load. Yes, I already have this image. Let me see in my downloads. So it is here. Let me even use this one. 456. This one appears to be better. 256. So I'm like renaming it for easy identification. So I go back. I was verifying here in the settings. So I go back here. So I go to downloads. So it is here. So that is the image. So I'm like, I've uploaded the image. Are you seeing that? So I've uploaded the image. I've put my name. Okay. First name, then the second name, and are you seeing that? So now after doing that, I save. Okay. Remember, I've put the image. So changes have been saved. I've put the image. These are my names. I've written a simple bio or profile about me. Then I've put my email was already there because it is the email I used to. Like, you can also do what? Delete the account if you're like tired of using the platform. So now after having that, remember when we go back to the packages, we close this. These are adverts. So when we go back to the packages, remember we can post a listing. We can post a listing that is basically one. Okay. So we can have just one listing for free. Okay. So if at all I have a coupon, I can put it here. Okay, but since I just need that listing, one listing, so I can put in the information, then submit whatever I want to like submit. Then since like we go back, so we've signed in, so we can close this first part. Okay, so let us go back to the listing packages. So I want my package to like appear at the top of everything. Okay, so I want my package to appear at the top of everything, of every project. So it means that I should go for the featured what? For the featured, remember I told you that we have the free package where you post one, so it is at no cost. However much you fill in your bank details or purchase details. Then we have the platinum package where you can put in just paying 10% at this time. Golden package where you have to pay $7 and post 10 listings, then 3 and you pay $3 and you post 8 listings. Then we have the featured status, that is like the one we would advise you to pay for, whereby you at least have your products or services that you offer at the top of all the other people's adverts that are basically posted. So if I go for this package, I click that package. So remember this, I showed you, remember that I showed you how to use the coupon codes, how to reduce the prices. Let us see that in the second video.